Welcome to my channel, The Forbidden Fruit. iMovie doesn't have a save button, so it automatically saves your work as you keep working. It could be a blessing as well as a curse. If you are used to regular saving, you become annoyed. But it is better than working for hours and not saving it. That could be heartbreaking. There are instances you want to save your project as another project. Think this way. You make a video for YouTube. Once you are done, you want to make one for Facebook, but you want to make a different version based on the original, adding and deleting clips and media. So there is no save menu on the first place. What you are going to do? So go to top right in the window bar of your project. Next to the three colored circles, you see projects with an arrow mark in the front. Click on it. You see the thumbnails of all your projects. Choose the project you want to save as. You move your cursor on top of the thumbnail. You will see a circle with three dots. Click on it. You will see a drop-down menu. Right before the last item on the menu, you see duplicate project. Select it. You can use Ctrl D as well. Automatically it creates another with the same name. Now highlight the name and change the way you want. You are done. You can subscribe to my channel to watch other useful tips. Thanks for watching.